Year 6 mental maths test. Mark my words, bud. It's absolutely mental. Year 6. Hope you like the new introduction for my mental maths tests. Absolutely mental. Right. Mental maths test, 12 questions, 10 to 15 seconds on each question. Remember, if you don't get an answer and I move on with me, all right? Don't fall behind. Start in 10 seconds. Okay, so let me just write down these quickly so I can rub them out as I go along. 8, 9, 10, 11, there's our questions. So question 1, what is 120 multiplied by 30? So think about your known multiplication facts there to help you, yeah? 120 times 30. Okay, question 2. Add together 125 and 73. So add those two numbers together. Question 3. Subtract 27 from 60. Subtract 27 from 60. Question 4. What is the product of 60 and 5? What is the product of 60 and 5? Question 5. Round 13.48 to the nearest whole number. Round 13.48 to the nearest whole number. Question 6. What is 2/3 of 18? Okay, question 6. What is 2/3 of 18? So think about how you work out your fractions of amounts. Question 7 is write down the fraction 12/20ths. Write down the fraction 12/20ths. Question 8. See you can get this one right. So, £12.18. I would like you to split equally between 3 people. Okay, so split £12.18 equally between 3 people. Okay, question 9. You leave your house 6:50 in the morning. The journey to school takes you 72 minutes. What time do you arrive at school? And you need to put the correct unit of time as well. So I've said it's in the morning. So you leave at 6:50 in the morning. Your journey takes you 72 minutes. What time do you arrive at school? Okay, so question 10 now. Nearly home. Question 10. Write down in numbers the time 13 minutes to 9 in the evening. Write down in numbers the time 13 minutes to 9 in the evening. So 13 mins to 9 in the evening. Okay, question 11 is convert 137 minutes into hours and minutes. So convert 137 minutes into hours and minutes. And the last one, question 12, add together 2 hours and 143 minutes and convert your answer into hours and minutes. Okay, so whatever your answer is, I want it to be written in hours and minutes, please. And that's your final question. Okay then, so well done. Get ready because we can go through the answers in 10 seconds. Okay, so question one, I was asking you to multiply 120 and 30. Yep, so I would have done this quickly. I would have gone, right, 12 times 3 is 36, and then I need to make my 12 10 times bigger. So my answer is 360. And then I need to make my 3 10 times bigger to get to 30. So my answer again becomes 10 times bigger. So my answer is 3,600. Question 2, add together 125 and 73. The answer is 198. Question 3, subtract 27 from 60. Well, the easiest way I would have done it is say, what do I add to 27 to get up to 60? My answer is 33. Get rid of that. Next one, question 4. What is the product of 60 and 5? So product is multiplication. So 6 5s are 30. So 60 multiplied by 5 is 300. Hopefully you got that one right. Question 5. Round 13.48 to the nearest whole number. That's the important number to look at. So that would be rounded down to 13. Well done if you got that right. Question 6. All right, so 2/3 of 18. So if you remember fractions of amounts, how many times does my denominator go into my amount? That would be 6. Keep that in my head and I multiply it by the numerator. So 2/3 of 18 is 12. You got that one right. Very well done, because that is something that often people in year 6 forget. Question 7. Write the fraction 12/20ths. So it would have been written like that. And if your fraction line is horizontal, that's fine too. Split £12.18 equally between 3 people. Okay, so there's a few ways of doing it. Quickly, I would have gone, right, well, can I split 12 between 3 people? Yep, they all get £4. Can I split 18 pence equally between 3 people? Yes, they all get 6p. Add those together, I get £4, 6p. Leave your house at 6:50 in the morning, so that's the AM. Journey takes 72 minutes. What time do you arrive? Well, what I did was I converted 72 minutes to 1 hour and 12 minutes. So I added on my 1 hour first, 7:50, and then I added on my 12 minutes. So the answer is 8:02 a.m. Again, I said in the morning, so it's really important you use that a.m. 13 minutes to 9 o'clock in the evening would have been 8:47, because that's 13 minutes to 9. And again, I said evening, so I wanted to see that PM. Converting 137 minutes into hours and minutes, you would have got 2 hours is 120 minutes, and then you've got 17 minutes left out of the 137 that I gave you. So the answer is 2 hours, 17 minutes. Question 12. Right, there's a couple of ways of doing it. How I did it, my 2 hours and 143 minutes added together. So I converted my 2 hours to be 120 minutes, and I added the 143 on. So I've got 263 minutes. So I really quickly worked out how many hours I could take out. 60, 120, 180, 240 is 4 hours. And I've got 23 minutes left. So really well done. If you did that one in 15 seconds, hats off to you. So there are all your answers. Okay. Anything over or 10 and above is fantastic. So double figures is really, really good. 10, 11 or 12 out of 12. Well done for having a go at another mental maths test. You should be really proud of yourself for getting up to lesson 26. And I look forward to seeing you in the next lesson. Have a great day. Maths is fun.